Hi everyone, welcome back. So very short video for the use cases we have for Elastic Block Store, and I thought I should create it. Okay, so we should have this for database commonly used for databases such as MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle that require high performance and reliable storage. Provisioned IOPS SSD volumes are often used for this purpose. The second use case would be big data and analytics, and whereas we for big data applications, EBS volumes provide the performance needed for processing large data sets. The throughput optimized HDD volumes ST1 can be particularly suitable for data warehousing. Of course, because HDD hard disk drives are cheaper than SSDs, so that is another way of thought that for data warehousing or log processing we should go with the HDD one, and ST1 is the suitable here. ST1 is the suitable option here. Okay. Another use case is file system, whereas for EBS volumes can be used to host file system, including network file system and cluster file system that require high IOPS or throughput. So that is another use case. And of course, for backup and recovery, we have already seen that we can create the store EBS volumes, and I mean, no need to attach it to EC2 instance. I mean, we can attach it to EC2 instance, get the data, and then we can detach it from the EC2 instance. We can in further videos I'm going to describe snapshots also. So snapshots are basically, we can say right now we can say it as a backup. What we can do, we'll create a snapshot from EBS volume, and then that snapshot can be shared to another account, another region, another AZ, and another EC2 instance can restore from that snapshot to a new EBS volume. So that is doable. So that's why it is a good use case to have it for backup and recovery also. So the same is I have written over here: regularly scheduled snapshots can protect our data and enable us to restore volumes from the previous state. I mean, that is another option. Recovery perspective, if there is any data failure or any troubleshooting we need to do, so we can use it for that purpose also using Amazon CloudWatch. That is also I'm going to cover in next video. That's it in this video. Thank you so much for watching.